Hi there, I'm Maboko. This week, we'll focus on the US jobs and Federal Reserve, elections in France and the UK, the Eurozone inflation, China's PMI, as well as the South African affairs. The US Nonfarm Payroll report will be released on Friday. This will also give early insights into interest rate cuts. On Tuesday, we have the US Fed Chair, Jerome Powell, and the ECB President, Christine Lagarde, will have a discussion at the ECB's forum happening in Sintra, Portugal. We also have the Eurozone, which will be reporting its inflation data on Tuesday. China's manufacturing slipped for the second month in June, and the services have been at an all-time low for the fifth month in a row. In South Africa, President Cyril Ramaphosa has announced his new cabinet with 17 new ministerial positions. Thank you for watching this week's Market Highlight. Catch us again next week. Happy investing. Bye.